How to check mutual friends on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to check mutual friends on Snapchat, you have to keep one thing in mind. Due to privacy reasons, Snapchat cannot reveal the name of the mutual friends. However, you can see the number of mutual friends. So, in order to do that, what you're going to do is first open Snapchat on your device, then go to Add Friends. In Add Friends, over here in Find Friends, you can see the name of all people over here. So these are all the mutual friends of your friends. So over here, if I click on one person's name, you can see 4 plus mutual friends. From this, we can know that he is friends with more than 4 people of my friends. So this is how you can check the number of mutual friends on Snapchat. So thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next one.